Ready to turn your passion into profit? Let's unlock the power of Wix to create and sell amazing online courses. First, head over to Wix.com and either log in or sign up for an account. Wix offers various plans, including options suitable for online courses, so pick the one that best fits your needs. Once you're in your Wix dashboard, go to the App Market, search for and install the Online Programs app. This is your key to creating and managing courses. In the Online Programs dashboard, click Create New Program. This is where the magic begins. You'll be prompted to enter a program name, write a compelling description to entice potential students, and set a featured image. Now for the fun part, building your course content. Structure your course by adding modules or sections, and then populate each module with individual lessons. Wix supports various content types, including videos, text, quizzes, and downloadable resources. Let's talk money. Under the Pricing tab, you can choose how you want to monetize your course. Wix allows you to offer courses for free, as a one-time purchase, or as part of a subscription plan. Carefully consider your target audience and the value you're providing when setting your prices. No course is successful without promotion. Utilize Wix's built-in marketing tools to spread the word. Create email campaigns to reach your audience, share engaging snippets on social media, and consider offering discounts or early bird specials. Finally, preview your course, ensure everything looks perfect, and hit that publish button. Your online course is now live and ready to enroll students. Congratulations! You've successfully created and launched your online course with Wix. Now go out there, share your expertise, and start generating income. Remember to engage with your students and continue improving your course based on their feedback. Good luck!